The Science with Industry workshops connect young scientists with industrial researchers. For a week, they work in teams on a real company issue. On Monday, companies present their problem, and at the end of this intense week of studying, brainstorming and experimenting, the researchers demonstrate their astonishing solutions. Companies gain new insights into their problems. In turn, young scientists get to experience industrial R&D firsthand. All participants are enthusiastic about the format. This is perhaps why these workshops have become so famous.
I would encourage everyone to participate in ICT with Industry workshops. It provides great value at every stage in your career, academic career that is. And in a way, it's like you'd go to camp over summer for 5 days with your best friends, and you'd get to tinker around and do very cool things. So what's not to love about that?
To work for a full week with these enthusiastic students, PhDs, and I can recommend companies to participate and take the chance to join Physics with Industry.
First of all, it was a lot of fun. The feeling that you solve a real problem in industry was great. And also you learn a lot about how does the science work in industry. And more importantly, you will build up the network, which is very important for the future career. So join the workshop while you can.